Desmond A++ needed a central location in Albany for one night. Beautiful hotel. Nice and clean hotel even though it's not a new inn. I loved the pool area. The staff were nice and the room was clean. We got a nice baby crib upon our request. The only con I can think about is ordering food at dinner from the lobby. We waited a long time and the sandwich we ordered wasn't tasty at all. Pleasantly surprised. We loved this charming hotel. We enjoyed walking through the courtyard with the fountain and it looked beautiful all lit up at night. Definitely will return and stay at the Desmond again. Excellent, very comfortable, very accessible, and reasonable. Nice place to stay but a little tired. Always like staying here. A very good location for me and friends who meet in Albany. Wi-Fi was basically non-existent, which was very annoying. But in general the stay was pleasant. Quiet and comfortable and clean. This hotel is the perfect business hotel. Great location near the airport, plenty of restaurants all around. The hotel is ideally set up for business meetings. There are 2 restaurants which I would say are 3.5 stars, great for when you don't want to go anywhere, but plenty of other things to go to if you want to travel a little bit. The pool is small as well as the hot tub, but there is one as well as the gym is just a little bit of equipment. The rooms are nice. The atrium in the middle is the best, very quaint New England village type of feel inside the building. I think anyone that goes would be happy with their choice. The rooms are old but in very good shape. Excellent. People were extremely friendly throughout hotel. Rooms were nice but decor could use updating even if they want to maintain the traditional feel. Good bargain. Found this room by Agoda. I already knew the $90/night was good rate as I grew up in Capital District and knew of its reputation. Overall a nice stay. Walk around lobby area to get to elevator because of wedding reception was a hassle. No fridge/microwave, cheap. Back door off, rear parking area not secured during daylight hours seemed like possible security issue.